I got here an Ajax GlassProtect sensor from the Ajax Detector category based on a specific sound recognition algorithm, and I'm going to tell you what is it, reveal the features, tell you how is it installed, and tie it up to the Ajax hub we got over here. And before we start, go to the People Systems website, order this GlassProtect device or any of all 25 Ajax devices, specify you have subscribed, and get your special offer right away. I'm Daniel, breaking in.
Subscribe to People Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
Basically, it's a microphone that you can tell if you look at the body. This little hole just discloses the whole sensor's intent, and it really looks like an Ajax door protect to me. Now basically, Ajax have also fitted in this tiny body an up to 5 years lifelong battery, you can see it over here, I think, a radio transmitter and receiver, operating under the Ajax Javeler radio protocol on a waves 68.6 MHz. Declared operating range reaches up to 1,000 meters. Ping's frequency parameter here makes up to, from 12 to 300 seconds, which is common among Ajax systems devices. And it detects a threat, a sound of a broken glass, for as far as 9 meters away from the event. Also, Ajax fits the box with this little wired connector for NC sensors to be tied up within this one. The installing of this one happens quite easy, and there's two ways for it. So within the box, screws and dowels. You can fix it on a wall or use a sticker. It's fitted in here too. Well, we fastened this one that we have in our office with sticker from here, and it's been a year since it's there and everything's just alright. And so the sensor is based on a microphone, and you will ask, like, how does it distinguish a real threat sound from the other loud noises? Because you could have just accidentally dropped a glass in house. And there's also the other different sounds coming from outside of the window, like dogs barking, thunders, and car horns. And well, how does it? The answer is a two-factor algorithm, and in the next block I'll show you what is it. To activate the sensor, you gotta have your Ajax hub online first of all. So I got it online. You can see it lights with green, meaning it's okay. The power and internet is transmitted over device that come along with the box, and then you gotta activate the hub in your Ajax free app that you can get from the App Store, the Google Play for free. And so signing up, creating an account, and then activating our hub. We got a dedicated video for that. But now what we do, adding this sensor. So we are pressing the add device again, getting this lid cover back off, scanning the QR code, naming it a glass, and assigning a room, which is a studio in our case. Next, what we do, here's a little switch on off. You gotta get this closer to the hub and switch it on. And there we are ready. Now we gotta close the lid because of the tamper. And yeah, lid is closed in the studio. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna simulate the situation when, like, someone hit your window and the glass broke and you got a notification. So I'm gonna answer this question with this metal ruler, because I'll show you how to simulate these sounds. I'll show you what means the two-step algorithm of this device and how does it actually catches all of that threats. So we are arming our system. We're putting the phone here, let's say, and what we're doing now, that'll be here, taking this, and the first thing we gotta have is a diff hit sound. So that's how it happens. And the second thing, the exact sound. And there we go. We got an alarm notification. So that's how it happens. First, it spots a diff hit sound that I've just recreated, and then with a metal ruler, we've recreated the exact sound of a glass touching the surface, which is the exact sound of a broken glass. So that's how it happens, and that's why you won't get false alarms because of this two-step algorithm. And now let's conclude this whole thing up. Well, actually, you can have both MotionProtect and a GlassProtect in one device, and it's called a CombiProtect. It will be right there. But to tell some concluding words about this one, well, light, easy to install, futuristic and nice design, simple and yet guarantees the absence of false alarms. So, order up on the People System Store website, links in the description, and you gotta know that special offers are applied to the ones who specify that they are subscribed. Thank you for watching. Your protection and your knowing of what surrounds you are main goals in the People Systems.